Welcome to the microverse and televerse, where we explore the unexplained and the unsettling. I'm your host, and today we dive into the recent wave of mysterious drone sightings along the east coast of the United States. These events have sparked concerns from local communities to federal agencies, leaving us to question, are we witnessing the future of technology gone rogue, or is there something more clandestine at play? Starting in mid-November, reports of unidentified drones began flooding in from New Jersey, Maryland, and Pennsylvania. In New Jersey alone, residents in Morris and Somerset counties described seeing drones hovering over neighborhoods and critical infrastructure. Governor Phil Murphy and U.S. Senator Cory Booker have reassured the public that while these drones pose no immediate threat, investigations are underway in collaboration with the FAA and Department of Homeland Security. Still, the lack of answers leaves many uneasy. Beyond local concerns, the implications reach national security. The Pentagon has confirmed similar incidents over military bases, including sightings near Naval Station Norfolk and Langley Air Force Base, raising questions about potential espionage operations. Although federal law limits drone countermeasures like signal jamming or shoot-downs due to safety risks, agencies are increasingly alarmed. Could these be foreign surveillance operations, or perhaps a precursor to cyber warfare? Speculations abound, but evidence remains sparse. Meanwhile, public reaction oscillates between intrigue and fear. Some, like podcast host Joe Rogan, see this as a chilling precursor to larger security issues, questioning the balance between technological advancement and oversight. Others worrying about privacy, fearing these drones may soon invade personal spaces. Experts argue the proliferation of consumer-grade drones complicates enforcement. Current FAA regulations prohibit drones near sensitive areas, but identifying and prosecuting rogue operators is a daunting task. Many drones are operated anonymously, and tracking them back to their sources often yields dead ends. These sightings also highlight a broader dilemma. How do we balance the incredible benefits of drone technology in industries like logistics and agriculture with the undeniable security risks? As drones become more accessible, regulatory frameworks must evolve to address potential threats while encouraging innovation. So, what's next? With investigations ongoing, we might be at the cusp of uncovering something groundbreaking or perhaps unsettling. What's clear is this: as drones continue to populate our skies, the conversation around their regulation, use, and potential misuse will only intensify. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your ears tuned to the microverse and televerse.